Hi all, in this video I'll show you two of the most affordable and easiest ways to display your phone screen on your computer or laptop. Method 1. Via an app. In this way, you can output an image from your phone to your computer using a suitable app. As an example, consider Apowersoft Phone Manager. Connect your computer and phone to the internet. It's better to use the same Wi-Fi network. Go to the app developer's website, download the client to your computer and install it. Also, install the app on your phone. Launch the app on your computer and select the wireless connection. It supports wired connection, but I haven't been able to connect by cable. In the app on your phone, click on Scan QR code. Then scan the QR code in the app on your computer. After a successful connection, the app will show the controls on your phone. In the computer app, tap the button to mirror the phone screen. Confirm the screen mirroring action on the phone and the phone screen will appear in the app on the computer. Method 2. Via the browser. In this case, the image transfer from the phone screen to the computer is done via any web browser. I'll use AirDroid as an example. Connect your computer and phone to the internet. It's better to use the same Wi-Fi router. Install the AirDroid app on your phone. Inside the app, select the AirDroid web option. In the next app window, make the connection in one of the two ways suggested, with the service website and login through a registered account, or by scanning a QR code. Second way is to connect via IP address. To do this, you have to type the address in the window of any browser. Please note, in this case, the phone and the computer must be connected to the same router. Personally, I consider this method to be the most practical. After selecting the connection method, in our case the second one, the phone screen will display a notification asking you to confirm the connection. After confirmation, the desktop will appear in the browser. It's necessary to select the shortcut Mirror Image. On the phone you must again confirm that you want the screen to be mirrored. Only then will the phone screen window appear in the browser. That's all for today. Please write in the comments to the video which way of displaying the phone screen on the computer you are using. Please rate the video, subscribe to the channel and watch other no less interesting and useful videos on the channel. See you soon!